The acting CEO of ISN Maskwa says the organization began its busy season by assisting a far north community that had been evacuated due to flooding. Joe Tom Sayers says it was only one day after residents returned home that they got their first forest fire evacuation call.
We got activated by Indigenous Services Canada to host a community from Northern Ontario due to a forest fire. That's about 1,300 folks. Quickly after that, another First Nation of about 1,000 was evacuated under our care. And then more recently, the Sandy Lake First Nation were hosting probably close to 1,000 at this point, if not up to 1,500.
Sayers says the moment ISN Maskwa gets a call to assist, they waste no time getting to work.
We immediately trigger our own process where we immediately look for accommodation sites, assemble our teams, build out our incident command tables, put in a communication plan, safety plans for folks given the sites that we're going to be hosting them in, all within 48 hours.
ISN Maskwa is wholly owned by the Missinaba Cree First Nation, and Sayers wants to see the company's model of First Nations helping First Nations adopted on a national level.
With First Nations leading the supports around evacuations, that is the way of the future. We're demonstrating it, we're proving it on the ground and on the field. And we want to see this model, replicated across the country, and anything we can do to help other communities build that capacity out, we're there for them.
Sayers says work continues on ISN Maskwa's evacuation center, which will be located on the Missinaba Cree First Nation, which is about 340 kilometers north of Sault Ste. Marie. He adds phase 1 of the project will be finished by spring 2026, at which time they will be able to host up to 800 evacuees. Mike McDonald, APTN National News, Sault Ste. Marie.